Yes, no.
And I give you maximum respect for that sound class. It was awesome. I enjoyed it. Wyatt, all over the stage, and I was like, I can't keep up. Energy.
I have to pick up Elephant Man, because Elephant Man teach me about energy. Energy God, big up.
Energy God, big up. And again, it's a pleasure. Tell everybody where we can find you, keep up with you on something up and coming, you know, all of that.
Yeah, man, all over social media is Dynamq, Dynamq. That's Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, all of that, man.